Mm. Mm. So arms down by your side for me. Very good. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back, okay? Nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time for me. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. And point those toes down for me. Very good. Wow. How did that feel?
Amazing.
Awesome. Now resist my pull with your hands, okay? Very good. Relax it. Very good. Your leg here, okay? Just relax these hands out. Just relax for me. Just gonna do a nice little pull, okay? Very good. Awesome. How's it moving on hip a little bit better?
Good, yeah.
Slide right into my hand for me. And just relax that shoulder. Just drop the head to the left, drop it. And just drop it.
Mm.
Great release. Head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder there. Just relax it. Wow.
Wow.
Good release.
Wow.
How'd that feel?
Oh my god.
Awesome. Awesome.